everyone, welcome back to another Stitches and Scribbles video. Today I'm going to be continuing working on my Faire costume. I realized that I don't have any pockets on my costume except on the outside of my skirt, and I wanted a little bit of extra space to carry things like phone, wallet, keys, stuff that I don't need to access as frequently during the fair. So I decided I'm going to be making a belt pouch to hang on my belt that I wear for Renaissance Fair so that I have some extra space to carry things around. I'm going to be using the same yarn that I used for my Renaissance Fair bodice corset piece that was in my previous Crochet With Me video. This is a Lion brand cotton yarn. I don't remember the name of the yarn because I took the ball bands off, but you can check out the name of the yarn in the previous video. I'm using the leftovers from it. I'm going to start just by doing a single crochet little rectangle to be the bottom of my bag, and I'll show you what that looks like as I go. Now that I have my little rectangle for the base of the bag, I'm going to start doing single crochet around each edge of the rectangle to start building up the sides of the bag, like going up this way. Once I've done that row of single crochet, I'll probably switch to half double crochet for the rest of the bag so that I can build height a little bit more quickly, but this is the width and bottom that I was looking for, so that worked out well. Now that I have finished the little bag, I'm going to start making a flap by just picking up where I left off and going back and forth along one edge, decreasing each row to make like a triangle flap for the top of the bag so that it buttons in the front. finished the main section of the bag. I even added a little clasp to the bottom of that flap so that you can open and close it. So the last step for this little pouch is to make a rectangle on the back that is a little bit wider than the width of the belt that you're going to use, and you want it to go along almost the whole side of the bag so that it kind of stays flat. And you're going to sew the top and bottom edge of that little rectangle, leaving the sides open so that you can loop the belt through. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, and here is the finished product. You can see that there's a spot on the back for you to feed the belt loop, not the belt loop, the belt through, so that you have an extra pocket for all of your Ren Faire adventures. I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to make something. If you want to stick around for more crafty things, you can check out my other videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!